Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. I'm Erica Hughes. If you guys haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos, leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Okay, so today I get to reveal a new color that is coming out on June 25th. It's this little piggy pigment, and it is called Brulee. And yes, it's an interference copper. I am so excited about this color. It is absolutely gorgeous. When the light hits it, the copper just boom. It's gorgeous, and this pigment will definitely, like this TLP, this little piggy pigment will be in my probably top 5, maybe top 3. It is gorgeous. For me, copper tends to take over if I'm not careful, like a copper acrylic paint, non-interference. So I was super excited to be able to reveal this particular color to you guys. And you're going to see how gorgeous it is during the tilting, and at the end of the video, I do a close-up and you can see the shift that the interference copper brings to this entire piece. It's gorgeous. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I couldn't do a little face intro today, but just busy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the painting, most importantly. And I will link in the description box under this video where you can get this little piggy pigments. The new colors will be released on June 25th. So mark your calendars and keep your eye out for some of the other new colors. There's going to be a few artists revealing the new colors at this very moment. So I will list them in the description box below, and you can check out all the new colors that are coming out on the 25th. Mark your calendars. The colors are just outstanding. But this Brulee is definitely one of my top piggies. I hope you guys have a fabulous night, day, morning, whichever it is when you're watching this video. If you want to see how I mix my paints, or if you want to know my recipes, check the description box under this video and you'll see it all there. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to put on some tunes and just enjoy. Let me know what you think. I will talk to you guys later. And thank you to this little piggy for letting me be able to reveal one of your colors. It's absolutely stunning. So thank you so much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.